Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to blur a video background quickly on InShot application. Okay, here I have opened my InShot application on my phone, and I'm going to open my draft first so we can tap on the video. And this is my draft. I'm going to open it. Okay, and if you want to blur video background of your video, first of all, you can tap on a folder application, then tap on AI effect, and here you can select Ghost AI effect. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the Ghost effect, this one. Tap on the Ghost effect, then you're going to adjust how blurry you want it to be. You can make it a super blur or a less blur, and I'm going to make it a super blur. Then after we're done, we just need to click on this check mark button. Okay, then we can adjust the length. I'm going to make this effect align with the video. Okay, and here is the result I'm going to show you, and let's just play the video. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can blur video background quickly on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.